Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign up Deutsche Bank online banking on PC. Deutsche is German investment bank and financial service company headquartered in Germany. To sign up to Deutsche Bank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.deutsche-bank.de. With that, press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Deutsche Bank. Now here you'll be able to find a small Google translation box on the top. You can translate the page by clicking on the language that you prefer. After this, here you can see the translated page. Then here you can see account and card option down private customers. Now click on online banking option down do banking transaction. With this, here you'll be taken to online banking page. Now click on apply for online banking. Then here you'll be taken to sign up page. Now on the first, you need to select your account type. Click on the given box and select the account type. I am going on with my private account. Then click on further option. With this, here you'll be directed to another page. Now, here you need to fill in all the information regarding your account. Now, first enter your branch number, which is 3 digit. Then enter your customer number, which is of 7 digit. After that, enter your first name on the given box. With this, enter your last name, or you can enter the company name. Now, if you want to manage your existing account details as a joint account, then you can click on yes option. I am going on with no. Then scroll down. Then here you can see, is this assignment for you as account holder? You can either click on yes or no. I am going on with yes. Now here you need to enter the date of birth to clearly identify yourself. So enter the date of birth on the given box. Then you need to select the desired service. It is an optional choice to select any one of them. Then here you can see important note. You must check on the option of register for online banking even though you have already a online banking with you. So click on register for online banking option. Now here scroll down. Then here you can see other notes for minors as well. Now, if you want your photo tan procedure to be activated, then you can click on the given box. Now here you can see framework of disposal. For online transfers, there is a limit of 2,500 euros per day. You can request for different limit by clicking on the given box and you can enter the amount that you want to request. Similarly, here you can see conditions for access through electronic media. Now once view through all those electronic media terms and conditions by clicking on here option. After this, click on the option of registration for digital mailbox if you want to do so. With this, click on the option of further on down. After this, here you can review your information. Once look through all the summary of your information to know whether the information are real or not. With this, on the downside, you will need to require a signature so that you can have online access of the bank. So first enter the location. Then you need to sign in on the given box by using your mouse or finger. With that, if you want to redo your signature, then you can click on the option of correct signature. With that, scroll down. Then here you can see the option of confirmation of your mobile number. So now here you need to enter your mobile number on the given box. After that, click on request SMS button. Then the bank will send you a verification code through SMS. Then you need to enter the code to confirm your mobile number. With this, you'll be taken to another page where you need to create your user ID and your password for your account. After this, you'll be successfully able to sign up to your Deutsche Bank online banking on your PC. This is how we can sign up Deutsche Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.